Hello, this is Eric. I'm the Director of Strategic Marketing and IoT Automation Product Division of NexAIoT. Today I'm going to give you a brief for the iAT2000 Cloud SCADA System. The Cloud SCADA System is composed by four layers of applications and solutions. The first layer is what we call Operation Technology Solutions, which contains the web HMI, PC-based PAC, and distributed I/O. The web HMI is all developed by HTML5 language, which means you can easily browse by any kind of browser and mobile applications. And the PC-based PLC is the latest product launched by NexAIoT. Inside is Intel Celeron CPU installed with Windows 10 WSL 2.0 and also the Ubuntu Linux. As you can see, the left side is the PCI expansion. You can install the LAN port, the Wi-Fi module, the 5G module, and the other side is local I/O, and you can insert the digital I/O and also analog I/O and encoder and so on. Yeah. Also, you can install with the codices to do the IEC 61311-3 and PLC Open motion control programming. So it's a very ideal control system that offer the comprehensive machine automation and factory automation solutions. Also, the distributed I/O covers the Profinet, Ethernet IP, EtherCAT, Profibus, device net, and CAN open, and even the mobile TCP and RTU protocols for your choices. And the second layer, you can see this is the IoT connectivity solution, which covers the Wi-Fi access point, the HMI gateway, the field bus gateway, PLC gateway, vision gateway, CSC gateway, a predictive maintenance gateway, and also robot gateway. So with the comprehensive IoT gateways, you can easily connect to the field devices, equipment, and machine at field. Also monitor the production line status. Up to the third layer, this is the OT/IT integrated data collection system. So here you can see we offer the AI server, which can build a model, and also the AI inference platform. You can inference the model at edge. And the other is the SCADA server that can install all kinds of SCADA to monitor the facility and even the shop floor, and even as a part of enterprise forum video module. Here we also offer the edge server to do the ETL and data preprocessing process in edge. This is the software solution that in-house designed by NexAIoT based on Linux system. It contains the data path software and dashboard software. Also with the latest technology of container and the OPC UA server. Most important, the OS is based on Windows 10 WSL 2.0. The Linux subsystem is Ubuntu. So this is layer 3 we offer for OT and IT data integration. The last layer is digital transformation layer for SaaS creation to do all kinds of management of manufacturing and enterprise resource and warehouse management system integration. As you can see here, we have 11 modules from the facility monitor control system to the production line management system, equipment predictive, energy management, and so on. So you can implement all kinds of customized application to monitor your factory and the enterprise for profit taking at any time, anywhere. This is a perfect solution architect for a distributed factory in worldwide. Take for example, if you have a factory in Taiwan, factory in China, factory in US, factory in Poland, you need to do the distributed system for centralized monitoring. You can build by the system and monitor all the management KPI on the cloud. Yeah, thanks for watching today. I'm Eric. See you.